Hey guys, it's your girl Danita. I'm here today to do a quick DIY. Very simple, but it will go with my display for New Year's Eve or for New Year's. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I bought 4 of these. And these lights, now this light changes colors. But I think I'm going to use my lights that just have the white light that you'll see in a minute. It'll come up. But this one changes to blue, red, white, green. So for this demonstration, I'll use this one. And then I'm using these diamond gems here. So what I did was put some in here. Just quick and easy, but it's gonna look really good with the display. So you'll have to kind of straighten that up, and then you'll put the rest of the gems in there to cover it up, because you want that covered up. But guess what? That's one of the disadvantages. It's really pretty, but one of the disadvantages is you'll have to pour these out, turn the light on, drop it in. So it's going to be something that you'll use just for a particular display or event that you're having, because you probably won't want to just continue to have to do this every time you want to turn the light on. Or you can just turn it on and leave it on until it runs out. One thing that I did notice is, because this is in like this, I would do is leave it to where you can see it from the front, because you'll be able to see it from the side because of the way the glass is shaped, the candle is made, and the gems are big. So they're not going to cover all the way around. So I will use my display and have it to where it's facing this way. So that's as simple as that. And then I have 4. This is another one, and the 2 are already downstairs, and I'll show you the display in a moment. And then while I'm here, I printed out a 2020 Happy New Year. And if you want this particular one, I'll leave my Pinterest account or information in the description box, and you can pull it from there, or you can just Google. What I did was Googled 2020 Happy New Year images, free downloads, so that you make sure you're not infringing on any copyright. But I bought the frame from Dollar Tree, printed this image onto some photo paper I have, cut it out to size, put it in the frame, and this will be part of my display as well. So I'll show you my display at the end of the video. I hope you like it. Just a quick video, easy DIY, but will turn out to be very pretty, in my opinion, or turn out to be very pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and look forward to 2020 Happy New Year. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.